Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Wonderland. Pro tips. Imagine the amazing creature is in front of you. Sit in a comfortable place and draw the features as clearly as possible. Keep the shapes loose and playful. Time to refine. Inside the head and eyes should be real and hyper realistic and make it happy and curious, and the ears and the inner circle as in depth and possible. Don't forget it has to be fluffy, and also it has to make sure it is in and around you. Bring life to it. The materials you may need: paper sketchbook, pencil, eraser, black pen marker, colored pencils, paints optional, and drawing steps may include your own creativity. And let's start. Now comes the fun part. Thicken the outline of your drawing with a pen or a marker if you like. Erase all the unnecessary pencil lines. Add detail like whiskers, fun textures, short lines, and even cute lines and tails. Don't forget those expressive lines and eyes to it. Eyes gives the life to amazing creature is in front. Coloring fun. Add more color and the hyper realistic look to it. Let's make Connect large oval for the head and smaller oval below it and slightly tilted for the body. Connect them with two curved lines for the neck and legs. Add two circles below the head for the ears. Pro tips. Imagine the amazing creature is in front of you. Keep the shapes loose and playful and hop in the details. All the very best for your new venture.
Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.